Dear students, newspaper carry news of accidents almost every day and you must have seen it, right? Accidents cause harm to life, they cause pain and suffering. Accidents, however, can be avoided if we follow safety rules, right? Our today's plan is to revise this chapter named as Safety First. So, let us immediately start with the revision of this particular chapter called as Safety First. In this chapter, there are numerous topics including introductory section, then safety at home, burns, electric shocks, poisoning, then there is safety at school, safety on playground and in swimming pool, safety on the road, and what all first aid can be given in various scenarios. There are a few important points that we should remember. The first is accident cause harm to life and damage to property. Accident causes pain and sufferings. Safety rules should be followed to avoid these accidents. Some common accidents at home include sleeping on the floor, burns, electric shocks, and poisoning. Bleeding wounds, fainting, insect bites, snake bites, and burns are few emergencies that need first aid. So, these are the important points from the chapter Safety First. Now, we are going to solve the questions. Okay, let us try to solve the MCQs first. So, this is a question to avoid tripping over a scattered toys. Option A, do not leave your toys lying on the floor. Leave your toys on the floor. Leaves your toys inside the kitchen. What is the correct answer according to you? The correct answer should be do not leave your toys lying on the floor. Because if you keep them lying on the floor, then what happens? Someone might keep his legs, someone might keep his foot on the toys, okay, and he might trip, he might slip. So it is better to not to keep the toys on the floor. The next question is question number 2. One must not wear these clothes in kitchen. Options are synthetic, cotton, woolen. Which should be the correct option? Which clothes should not be wear in kitchen? The correct option is synthetic. Why we should not wear synthetic clothes? Because they easily catch fire, and when they catch fire they stick to your skin, which is very harmful again. So that's why we don't wear synthetic clothes in kitchen. So correct option is A, synthetic. Next question, stay away from table fans, rides, toys. Which should be the correct option? Most often we stay away from electrical devices. So the correct option is table fans. Why table fans? Because table fan being an electrical device, if one touches it, there are chances that you might get an electric shock. So children's and even elders, you should always stay away from electrical devices, especially when they are in the on condition. Even in the off condition, if there is a short circuit, there might be a case, there might be an accident of electrical shocks. So you stay away from table fans and other electrical devices. So correct option is A, table fans. Fourth question, apply a paste of baking soda, cold cream on the affected part. If options are bitten by an insect, a bone is broken, someone gets a cut. Where should we apply baking soda and cold cream, the paste of them? Generally, this is done when you are beaten by an insect. When someone is beaten by an insect, we apply a paste of baking soda and cold cream. So, option A is correct. Question 5. To reach for something placed high, use a rope, ladder, or stick. Which one will you use? Obviously, we will use ladder. Why ladder? Because that is easy and there is less risk on using the ladder, especially when you want to pick up something which is placed high. Then there is a match the following. In the column A, there is numerous options like floors, electrical appliances, use a swimming tube, antiseptic lotion, and for burns. Okay, and we should find a correct match for each one. So floors, if you ask me, it must be kept dry. Okay, to prevent slipping on them. Electrical appliances should be handled carefully. Then use of swimming tube if you are not an expert swimmer. Antiseptic lotion must be used to clean cuts and burns, and antiseptic cream on affected area. So these are the correct options. So 1 goes to B, 2 goes to C, 3 goes to D, and 4 goes to E, 5 goes to A. Let us see the correct answers. So 1 goes to B, correct. Then electrical appliances, this one is correct, this one is also correct, this one and this one is also correct. So we are correct. Well, that were objective questions. So I hope I was able to revise the chapter properly for you. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. See you during next session. Until then, take care. Bye bye.